Hello children, as all these days I have been doing your problems according to your textbook, lesson by lesson means in fact actually page by page. Do these problems, try these problems, example problems, exercise problems. I started from first chapter and I am continuing. I have come up to polynomials children, and now I am stopping that part because now next you are getting your essay-1 examinations. So I wanted you to have a good preparation for your essay-1 examinations. So I am going to teach you some important questions in each topic. The topic again I will be teaching on the whole, but at the present whatever important questions are there, that part I will deal with children. If at all any basic is required for it, I will go through that also, I will explain you that also. But I want you to score good marks children. You are in 10th class children. Be careful. Your essay-1 marks are going to be in fact scrutinized. Sometimes they will check your FA marks with your essay-1 marks. If they are not matching, you will be in trouble children. Be careful. Prepare well for your essay-1 examinations. They are almost equal to your final examinations. So these topics which are there for you, you need to do. In the previous topic I have explained you, I have given you what all the topics that cover in essay-1, and also 3 topics, that is real numbers I have covered all, and sets I have covered all. So all this, what are the important questions, in which part of my videos it is there, and at which hour you are going to get, at which minute in fact you are going to get. Everything very clearly I have posted. If you go through them, you can very well prepare those important questions for real numbers and sets. In polynomials, whatever I taught, up to that I have done. Now I am going to do the next part children. Now in polynomials, this is what I am going to do is polynomials. In this polynomials, you have got exercise up to 3.2 I have done. Exercise 3.3, first problem, first bit and second bit. Exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3, first and second bits are important for you. So for the first problem, what is this first problem? Find the zeros and verify the relation. You have to find the zeros and verify the relation. Verify the relation. It goes like this children. So let us see, you have got the important bits under 3.3, first problem, first bit and second bit. So first let me deal with the first bit. It is x square minus 2x minus 8. You need to find out 0 of this children. To find out 0 of this, what you need to do? You have to split the middle term and find the factors. See, you have got minus 8 into this. In quadratic equations you will get once again. This is minus 8x square. Minus 8 should be split into 2 factors in such a way that if you add you should get minus 2. If you multiply you should get minus 8. So how will you do children? If you take minus 4 and 2. If you add them you are going to get minus 2. If you multiply them you are going to get minus 8. So x square minus 4x minus 2x minus 8. That means what children? These two will be one factor, this will be one factor. In these two common is x. X into x minus 4 minus 2 into what you will be getting children? Minus x. Sorry, here it is plus 2x. 1 minus 4x plus 2x, if you do only you will be getting minus 2. So plus 2 into x minus 4 you will be getting. So x square minus 4x means x into x minus 4 plus 2 into x minus 4. So what you are getting here children? X minus 4 into x plus 2. Means if x minus 4 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 4, and if x plus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2. So you have got the roots, the zeros as 4 and uh, you have got 4 and x is equal to minus 2. 4 and minus 2 you have got x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. Now with this you are going to verify after finding out zeros. The zeros are 4 and minus 2. Now verify the relation between the zeros and the coefficients. So first let me give you a small idea about coefficients, children. Coefficients means you have got coefficient of x square is considered as A, x is considered as B, and constant term is considered as C. Okay, children. Now, basing on this coefficients, you have got certain formulae. The zeros are considered, sum of zeros. Sum of zeros will be equal to minus B by A, and product of zeros is equal to C by A. These are the formulae, children, which you should know. So what you need to do is, you have got these answers. Are they correct by using this formula? You are going to do. It's only a recollection. You might have done it in your class, children. So just as a recollection, I am saying coefficients means x square coefficient is considered as A, y square x coefficient is considered as B, constant term is C, and sum of zeros formula is minus B by A, and product of zero formula is C by A. So this is just, if you want you can copy, children. This is only for your convenience sake of, as a brush up I am saying you this. Verification we are going to do now. Okay, children. Now let us go for verification. What is the verification? They are asking you, what is that they are asking? Verify the relation of zeros with coefficients. So we are going to talk about verification. Now what is this verification? Zeros are considered as alpha and beta. So first value is alpha. Alpha is 4 and beta is minus 2. These are zeros. These are nothing but zeros. Zeros of the polynomials they are. Alpha and beta. So what is alpha plus beta, children? 4 plus of minus 2. That means how much you are getting? 2. Also, you have got the formula alpha plus beta is minus b by a. So let us see what is minus b by a. Minus, what is b, children? Coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 by a is 1. That is equal to 2. See, children, both of them are same. So basing on the formula and basing of the zeros, both of them are one and the same. Next, alpha into beta is equal to, alpha is 4 into beta is minus 2, that is equal to minus 8. Alpha into beta is minus 8. Also, what is the formula alpha into beta? Is C by A. What is C, children? C is constant term. Constant term is minus 8. So minus 8 by 1, that is minus 8. See, children, both of them are equal. So thus verified. You are verifying this by using the formula. The problem is this only. What you need to do? First you find out the factors by splitting the middle term. Quadratic equations that you are going to get once again. By splitting the middle term, you will be getting the factors. Each factor will give you the value of x. Because it is a quadratic, you will be getting two values. And one is considered as alpha and another one is considered as beta. Usually in physics, you know, alpha deals with the positive and beta deals with negative. In case if you have roots, one positive, one negative, take positive as alpha and negative as beta. So alpha and beta, after doing that, sum of the roots is nothing but alpha plus beta. Sum of zeros, Alpha plus beta, if you do, what answer you are getting, the same answer you need to get with the formula also. What is the formula? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. And the derivation we are going to learn in quadratic equations once again, children. But at present, you know about the formula. Alpha plus beta value is minus b by a. What is b? Coefficient of x. When you are taking coefficient of x, you should thoroughly prepare with the sign. Don't forget the sign. If you forget the sign, you don't get the correct answer. So when you take the sign here, here sign is minus, 4 plus of minus, that is 4 minus 2, that is 2. I have got alpha plus beta, and minus b by a, minus of minus 2, that is plus 2. Both of them are same. Alpha into beta, product of the roots. Product of the roots, alpha into beta is 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8. And the formula is c by a, c value is minus 8, a is 1, so minus 8. This is how you have got verified, children. This is the sum that you need to learn very well for your examination. Copy this, children. Now one thing again and again I am saying, children, I am only guessing certain important questions and I am giving it to you. Don't expect that same questions you are going to get in the examination. But the thing is, if you prepare this will definitely help you to solve, if at all you get any other problem. With this knowledge, you can solve them. So, thoroughly you prepare these sums, children. So, the second one is what? 4s square minus 4s plus 1. This is the quadratic equation. Now again, we need to split it. So, 1 into 4, 4s square. So, 4 if you split, you need to get minus 4 here. How will you get? See, minus 2 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2 to the 4. When you add them, you are getting minus 4. So, you can take it as 4s square minus 2s plus 1. So, these two 1 groups. This is nothing but 2s is common. 2s minus 1. And then here, what you will be doing, children? Here minus is there. Here plus is there. Take minus 1. If you take minus 1, you will be writing 2s minus 1. So that minus into minus becomes plus. Be careful here while writing. After writing, see that whether these two are same or not. If these two are not same, your problem is going to wrong. You will get a wrong answer. Always what you are writing here should be same. So for that, what you need to do, that you have to see. So here 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1. So, if 2s minus 1 is equal to 0, what you are getting, children? 2s is equal to 1. This implies s is equal to 1 by 2. So, since both of them are this, what you are getting, children? You are getting alpha is equal to 1 by 2 as well as beta is also equal to 1 by 2. So, under verification, we are getting s value as 1 by 2. This is your solution zeros. These are the zeros you are getting. After getting zeros, you are going for verification. For verification, what you are doing? Alpha is 1 by 2, beta is 1 by 2. So, what is alpha plus beta? 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. That means 2 is LCM, 1 plus 1, 2 by 2. That is equal to 1. And also, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That is minus, what is b, children? Minus 4. By a is 4. 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So, both of them are same. Now, alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. That means 1 by 4. And also, what is the formula alpha into beta? C by a. What is C, children? 1. A is 4. So, both of them are equal. Thus, verified. So, this is the second bit which I have verified, children. Go through it. 3.3. First problem I have done. Copy this, children. Okay. Now, what are the other problems in this 3.3? You have got second problem, second bit and fifth bit. Second problem, you need to find out second and fifth bit. So, let me see first second bit. What is this problem dealing with? The problem is find a quadratic polynomial. It is find quadratic polynomial. Find quadratic polynomial. In each case, given as sum and product of the zeros. When sum and product of zeros are given. Product of zeros are given. See children, this type of problems you have to be very careful. See, in the second bit, you have got, what are the values? You have got root 2 and 1 by 3. Don't get confused that they are zeros, children. Directly you don't take them as zeros, because read the problem carefully. This problem can be asked in two ways. In one way, they will give you sum and product of the roots and you need to find out the polynomial. In other ways, they will give only zeros and they ask you to find the polynomial, quadratic polynomial. So, be careful, see the problem carefully, go through the problem. What is given? Is it sum of the roots or just roots? Now, in this problem, they have given you sum of the roots. Find the quadratic equation whose sum and product is given. So, in this, what is given to you, children? Alpha plus beta is given as root 2. Alpha into beta is given as 1 by 3. So, I'll write it here. Alpha into alpha plus beta. What does this implies? Alpha plus beta is equal to root 2 and alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 3. So, what is quadratic function? Basing on this, you have got the formula, no? The quadratic function is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. This is the formula, children. Quadratic function formula, x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So, here you have got x square minus x into, see children, alpha plus beta they have given root 2 plus alpha beta they have given 1 by 3. So, it is x square minus root 2x plus 1 by 3. But in this case, children, you have got a denominator 3. So, to rectify it, what you can do, on multiplying each term by 3, because you want to rectify 3. What you are going to get, children? 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 by 3 into 3 if you do, you are going to get 1. So, this is your answer, children. Polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. A simple problem, but very carefully you should understand. What is given to your problem, you should understand very carefully. So, some of the roots they have given, I have done this. I hope you have understood it. Copy it. Now, I will do the fifth one. Now, what is the fifth one? Now, the fifth bit here is minus 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. What does this imply, children? Alpha plus beta is equal to minus 1 by 4 and alpha into beta is equal to 1 by 4. So what is quadratic function? Quadratic function what is it? X square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So this is equal to x square minus x into alpha plus beta is minus 1 by 4 plus alpha beta is 1 by 4. So what you are getting? X square minus into minus plus x by 4 plus 1 by 4. So again you have 4 in the denominator. So on multiplying each term by 4, whatever is the denominator, with that you multiply. 4x square, if you multiply, you are getting 4x square plus, see, x by 4, when you multiply by 4, these two will get cancelled. You are going to get x plus 1 by 4, if you multiply by 4, these two will get cancelled, you will get 1. This is your answer. The polynomial which you are going to get is 4x square plus x plus 1, children. So I hope you have followed this. You copy this, children. Now exercise same 3.3 third problem, first and second bits. Third problem 1 and 2 you are going to do. So what is third problem? Find the quadratic functions for zeros, alpha and beta. This is also same, children. Find the quadratic function whose zeros. What are zeros? Alpha and beta are given. See, children, this is what the difference I said. What did I say? The first bit, what is given? What are the values you have got in the third one? 2 and minus 1. See, children, earlier also I have got only 2 values. But I told you earlier, see whether the problem is sum of the roots or just roots. That confusion you may get if you don't read the problem properly. In case if you have taken those sum and product as only roots, your problem will go wrong, no? Similarly, here also, if you take these as sum of the roots, your problem will go wrong. Reason, understand the problem carefully. They have given now alpha and beta. So now what is the first thing that you have to do? Go for what is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta, 2 plus of minus 1, 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. Alpha into beta, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So you have got sum of the roots and product of the roots. So what is quadratic polynomial? Quadratic polynomial formula is what, children? X square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So x square minus x into alpha plus beta you have got as 1 plus alpha beta you have got minus 2. So what are you getting? X square minus x minus 2. This is the answer. This is the polynomial that they have asked. Again I am saying, earlier they have given this, they have given this. You have simply substituted. But now they have given only alpha and beta. So first you need to find out what is alpha plus beta and what is alpha and beta, and then you need to continue it, children. So I hope you have followed. Copy this so that we will be doing the next sum. Now the second bit. For the second bit, alpha is given as root 3 and beta is given as minus root 3. So go for alpha plus beta. Root 3 plus of minus root 3. That means root 3 minus root 3. These two will get cancelled. 0. What is alpha into beta? Root 3 into minus root 3. Minus 3. Root 3 into root 3 is 3, plus into minus minus. So you are going to get this. Now quadratic polynomial. What is quadratic polynomial? The formula is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. So x square minus x into what is alpha plus beta? 0 plus what is alpha beta? Minus 3. So what you are getting, children? X square minus 3. This is the answer for your problem. This is exercise 3.3, important questions for SA1 children. Now in the next class I will be doing 3.4. So practice this, children.